Hi, my name is Aniq.
Hi, my name is Ellie.
Today we're going to be unboxing Lenovo Yoga 910. This is a box. So let's open the box up. So this is how it comes when you first open it. Take this out. Let's see what's in the box. And here it is. Yeah! And this is Yoga 910. It's silver. Inside. It's silver on the side. This is its power button. So let's see how it looks from the inside. This is how the screen looks like. See the keyboards. Let's see what else came in the box. So it has a Core i7 7th generation. Okay. This is a fingerprint scanner. This is the touchpad. Okay. Its keyboard is here. They have the camera over here on the bottom instead of on the top. And the cool thing is that on the side there's very little space that isn't screen. So most of it from here is screen. You can make it into a laptop. You can make it flat. You could put it as a stand and show people things. And you can make it into a tablet and play games and stuff. So you put the wall charger in over here. Okay. Okay. And let's see if it opens up. So this is a laptop. Over here you can search up anything. It has Cortana. Over here, then this is the notebook. So let's go. So let's flip this and see what happens. And the whole screen flipped. It's touch screen, so you can write. So you can make it into a tab like this, or you can make it into a tablet, make it into your hand, and then write. So let's fold this back. And as you can see, it flipped back. It flipped back to when we unfolded it. So this is Yoga 910. So bye. Bye.